Hey, what's up you guys? It's Scott with Everyday Home Repairs, and today in just a couple minutes I'm going to show you how to safely remove this vanity mirror from the wall if you have clips like these that are holding it in place. If you do not see any clips, you most likely have your mirror glued onto the wall, and that's going to be a little different technique that we won't go over in this video. But let's jump in and I'll show you how to take this mirror off the wall and make sure you're doing that safely. So I had some of this carpet protector laying around, which is super handy for something like this. This is a protective film that you put over carpet on, like when you're moving or construction projects. So I only have to use 2 runs and it'll completely cover this mirror. If you don't, which you probably don't have something like this, just use some duct tape, a roll of duct tape, and do cross patterns and X's and just get a good coverage on the mirror. And this is the whole point of this is if a part of the mirror were to break off, you'd have tape there to make sure you don't have shards of glass falling all over. So with your gloves on, we'll take the putty knife, put it up under the bracket, and gently tap that with your hammer. You shouldn't need too much force. All you need to do is get that clip above the mirror. So you'll do that on both the clips that you have on the top side until they're past the mirror. Now using the putty knife, each project's gonna be a little different. You might have some double-sided tape or something holding it. You can use the putty knife for a little leverage until it pops out. Brackets on the bottom stay in place, so I'm just gonna slide it over and remove it that easily from the wall. And then here's a closer look at those clips. So you have the back part that's actually screwed to the wall, and then you have the sliding part that secures the mirror. All right, so hopefully your mirror came off as easily as ours. Once you saw a little demonstration of the clips, came right off the wall. If not, you might have had a little double-sided tape or something, but you can use that putty knife on the top side to apply some pressure across the mirror to get it off the wall. If you have any questions, go down in the comments, and I jump in there on a daily basis and would be happy to help you out and give my 2 cents if you're having a little different situation than what you saw here. And then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have a ton of other videos on little projects like this, repairs and improvements around your house, and we have new ones coming out on a weekly basis, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.